Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Good evening. Tonight it'll be quiet, but then tomorrow we are watching for showers to arrive late in the day and then some heavy rain coming in for your Thursday morning with a spotty shower possible as we go into your Friday. So it does look like Thursday and Friday could be a bit on the soggy side, but especially on Thursday. And that's why Thursday is going to be an impact day. Heavy rain early in the morning here, tapering to showers though as we go into the afternoon. The threats are going to be for a slow morning commute here, watching for ponding on the roadways and some wet leaves. And also on top of that, wind gusts of over 40 miles per hour will be possible, if not likely, on Thursday. Rain totals are 1 inch to about 2.5 inches. Some of you may even get more than that here by Friday morning. So it's going to be a nice soaking rain coming across the area here as we head into your Thursday. Friday is also going to be an impact day, not because of rain, but because of strong wind gusts that will be likely throughout the day. Another day where we could see gusts over 40 miles per hour, and that could lead to some isolated power outages, especially when you consider the fact that you have saturated ground from Thursday, you have strong winds throughout the day Thursday, and then you get it again on Friday. That could be leading to some isolated power outages as well. So also, don't forget to secure any loose or inflatable decorations. You have those blow-ups, they're going to get blown around in that. So unfortunately, this year for Halloween, you may need to unplug them so otherwise you're not chasing them down the street. Lancaster right now, though, we got the clouds beginning to increase here. Current conditions in Lancaster are 54 degrees with gusts at 20 miles per hour. So still seeing some breezy conditions even at this hour in Lancaster City itself. 54 in Landisburg. It's 56 up in Elizabethville and Dauphin County. 54 for Elizabethtown and Lancaster County. 55 in Ephrata as well as York and Gettysburg. 57 in Chambersburg. Greencastle, you're at 55 as well. And 56 in Carlisle. Storm Team Live Radar Network, though, we got some clouds coming in here from the east, and also you see some showers there by the Jersey Shore, but it does look like that misses us as we go through the evening hours. So we'll just continue to see those clouds begin to increase a little bit as we go through the night. Temperatures go from the low 50s to the upper 40s here over the next couple of hours. So we will see those temperatures begin to drop into the 40s, ultimately falling into the low 40s overnight tonight, between 40 to 44 for those lows. So not as cold as last night, but still enough where you'll have the jacket in the morning. Tomorrow, partly sunny, showers later in the day after sunset. We'll show you that here in a minute on Predictor. But otherwise, it'll be a dry day with temperatures in the upper 50s. It's a little bit below average for this time of year. High pressure, that was in control recently. That's moving out. We have the clouds that will build in throughout the evening and then also tomorrow as well. You can see some sunshine in the morning, but the clouds come back in the afternoon. Around 8, 9 o'clock, you can see those light showers beginning to develop across the area. But then overnight tomorrow into Thursday morning, that's where the heavy rain comes in. I would say about 4 o'clock in the morning till about noontime is when you'll see the heaviest of that rain coming through. And it will be with some downpours at times. So just again, keep that in mind for the morning commute on Thursday. Better second half of the day Thursday, some scattered showers, not nearly as heavy across the area. But we could see a widespread 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain across the area. Some of you where it's a little bit darker there, more brown, may even get over 3 inches in some spots. And on top of that, we got the strong winds. I mean, wind models already showing gusts over 40 miles per hour on Thursday, and as I said, that will continue into Friday as well. Here's Friday morning, 25 mile per hour gusts. Friday afternoon, 35, getting close to 40 mile per hour gusts again throughout the day, and even for Friday night as you're heading around trick-or-treating. So we will be having a quite noisy end to the week here. Mother Nature will be screaming for Halloween this year, that's for sure. And then by the weekend, we clear things out. It'll be breezy still on Saturday, but definitely drier Saturday and Sunday as we welcome in November. And then next week, it looks like a rain chance possibly on Tuesday, although I think we have a better chance by the end of the upcoming week, guys.
Screaming for